So let's get started. So on the right hand side, we have an adjoining door to another room. And then next to this, we have closet space. So we have some shelving units here. Oh, wow, we have an iron here, a blow dryer here, laundry here, laundry stuff. And I think the girl told me it's on the 4th floor, the laundry room in this building. Extra pillows and blankets, a couple of robes, an ironing board, a place to put your luggage, a safe. Then right after this, we're walking to the kitchen and we have just like the standard mugs and glasses. Ice up here, we have a couple of different bottle openers. I'm guessing people left those behind. This is the microwave. I'm not sure if they provide the bottle openers, back to that thought. We're just kind of seeing what kind of supplies they have at all the different DVC ones to get an idea. This is the microwave right here, and it's pretty clean. I've been pretty impressed with all the microwaves we've seen so far. And then up here you pick this up, and here is just plastic bowls, utensils, and cups. Paper towel holder, Mr. Coffee machine, coffee, tea. We got a toaster, a sink. We have more paper towels. Here's the garbage. And then here we have a fridge. This is like similar as the one in the boardwalk studio from last night that I stayed at. And you'll be able to find all these videos on the playlist DVC room tours on my channel. And also, if you want to see more room tours, there'll be more coming too, so make sure you subscribe and set the alerts so you'll see those coming out like within the next couple of weeks. It should be once this goes out. And then here's the bedroom area, but we're just gonna go back to the bathroom area, which was on the left hand side when you walked in, and then we'll come back to the bedroom area. So here is a mirror, like a full-length mirror. And then here, the only weird thing about the bathroom, which I really don't like, if you have like, I guess it just depends how comfortable you are with this, but the doors are sliding. So that's just like different. It's just a different feel, like all the doors are sliding, but I like how it's like kind of split up so people can get ready at the same time. Then we have, this is like a tub area and a shower. So I guess 2 people can shower at once, which is nice in a studio. And here is the shower curtain, the toilet, the towels, and a hook, which is helpful to hang your towels. Then this area, we have a mirror here, the vanity area, and then a trash here and extra towels. And then here is the shower area. I've heard about the showers here, really nice. I can't wait to try this out later and see what I think of it. And then if you've noticed too, in the bathtub area, and also if we go back here to the vanity area, we see that they're still using the H2O products, which is like super nice. So I don't know what this is for. That's a good question, but I'm gonna find out. We watched television and he looked at me and he said, "Papa, your hair is..." So you can watch TV from the bathroom. Ellen's on. I finally figured out what the remote did, so that's super cool. It's just a little loud, so I pulled it away. But yeah, so you can watch TV. Look at that. Okay. So now this is the bedroom area here. Here's the bed. Here's the Mickey towel art, and then the welcome home. And they give you these, like I say in my other DVC room tours, make sure you check out that playlist and subscribe as I mentioned earlier. They give you these little cute cards with quotes, and they also give them in the regular resort rooms too, and they say welcome home. And the daily inspection notice, we found this last night in the boardwalk too. Limited trash removal, but it looks like it happens every day now, so we'll keep that posted when I stay multiple days at Bay Lake Tower coming up. And then we have a note to see who the general manager of the Grand Floridian is. And then it gives you a notice about resort enhancements and about power washing the building. So it's good to know that things are going on, so you just don't see people power washing your window outside. Then we have some outlets under here, which is good. The furniture is a little like banged up, but I believe this has been open for quite some time. This is another thing, as I talk about all the time, the phones. Please update them, Disney. They look like they're not modern at all, and they're dusty. Here is the couch area, and this opens up into a bed. More furniture, which is really banged up, to be honest. And here is a mirror and table and chairs. I'm just looking at the furniture to see how it is. The table is banged up, which is understandable with this type of texture, but... And then here, just to add a touch to it, they have just a feel of the resort, and they have, like, for instance, this is the Mary Poppins songbook and the Happiest Millionaire songbook are on the wall in frames, little posters. And then here's the TV area, and I'll just give a view of the room from this way too, so you can get an idea of what it looks like. And let's go outside and check out the outside, which looks really like a nice view. Okay, so this looks like it's complicated, a couple different steps. Okay, this is confusing me. The other ones are so easy to open, but then they had to make this one so complicated. So the balcony area is really, really big for this resort. And the view is really, really nice with the monorail and the wedding chapel and the Polynesian in the background as well. And then you have 2 chairs and a table as well.